September box is here, and I have missed Trendsend. Trendsend by EVEREVE is one of my favorite style boxes. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my Trendsend unboxing and try on. Look, I cut it open and it's all bundled in here really nice. Probably about 3 bundles is my guess. And let's see, did I introduce myself? Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome. If you're new, I do style unboxing and try-ons. I do reviews, I do lifestyle boxes, and I do a little vlog here and there. So welcome. And anyone returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love communicating with you. I love reading your comments. So let's just get started and stop the chit-chat. Well, you know me, I can chit-chat. All right, so here's my Trendsend. And I actually looked at the label to see where it was shipped from. And normally I get my box from Pittsburgh. I think it's Pittsburgh store. This one was shipped from my local store. I wish they would have called me. I would have went in and picked it up and then I can just drop it off. It's silly to mail it, but we'll see how they did. It's a smaller store. So I peeked in there, probably about a week ago before I knew I was getting my box. And I was like, oh, they don't have a lot. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how they did. Okay, you never know. Let's see, September style, and I am styled by Kristen S. Welcome back to Trendsend, since I did miss last month since I was moving. And let's see, just some regular information on how many days you have. You have 5 days to try everything on and keep what you love and send back the rest. And let's see what else. Here are all my outfits in here. Where's the list? Oh, they're doing it different. There used to be a separate list with the item and the price and the size, but now they have it, it looks like underneath each outfit. So let's see what I was stocked with. Okay, I like the new format because under each outfit, when the stylist is talking about it, it lists each item and it looks like she lists them again, if you compare it with something else, under each outfit. I like that a lot. That's a lot easier to see how much one outfit will cost. So, all right, outfit number, it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits. 3 bundles, 4 outfits. So let's see what I got. Okay, first thing is I received a pair of boyfriend jeans and they are size 29. So she sized me up. They look a little big actually, but I don't know. We'll see how these look. I like the color. Looks like it's rolled. Does it come down? It does come down. So those are pretty cute. And then this cloth and stone blouse. Look at how pretty that is. It's a nice fall color. A rose. It looks like it has a little bit of a ruffle around the neck. This is gonna make a cute outfit. How cute is this top and this outfit? So let me back up, show you the complete outfit. We are off to a great start. Okay, let's talk about this top. This is by Cloth and Stone. It's a little bit thicker. It's not a real thin material. It's a little bit thicker. This is called a burnt rose, and it has the elastic wrists. They are pretty loose, at least on me. Let's see, the V-neck with the ruffle around the neck. I like the little, like, I don't know, like how the little ruffle makes a little gathering here. I like that look. The buttons, it's not pulling. So this is size medium. I probably really need a small. I think it's kind of big and it's probably supposed to fit a little oversized, but I think I'd be more comfortable in a small. I don't know. I'd have to try it. But the buttons, they are working buttons, really cute little, they just kind of blend right in with the color of the top. Let's see, it's longer. As you can see, it's a longer length. So I'll show you all that after I show you the jeans. So this is really cute. All right, the jeans. 7 for All Mankind. These are the boyfriend cut. These are a size 29. So she sized me up, thank goodness. They are a button fly. I didn't realize that when I took them out of the package, and you can't see that on the outside. It is a 5 pocket. It has the stitching here on the bum, on the pockets. And these do roll down. Which I like that look also. I like them both, rolled or straight. I don't know, those are pretty, I like that. And they're a looser fit, so, and they fit because she sized me up, which is much more comfortable. So I kind of like them. This is my belt. Actually, this belt is from Brighton. I don't know how old that is. And let's see, oh, my shoes. Oh my gosh, I love, love, love these shoes. Look at how cute that is. Goes great with this shirt. Look at that. Yes, I found my shoes. For those of you that don't know, I just moved. So I found my shoes. Anything I can find a link for, I'll put it in the description for you. All right, let's see. Oh, the pricing. Oh my goodness. All right, let's talk about it with each outfit. This shirt from Cloth and Stone, regular price is $98. Oh, let me show you the rest of it. $98. So it is longer in the back. But because somebody used my referral link, I get a 20% discount off of anything that I keep. So my price is $78.40. Still, I don't know if I like it $78.40. Okay, the jeans. Yikes. 7 for All Mankind. They are expensive, but they feel pretty good. Regular $178, 20% off would be $142.40. Ooh, I don't know if I like them that much, but I'll be wearing them through the try on here, so we'll see. Oh, and if you've never tried Trendsend, you can get your very first box, style box, for $1. $1 to try it, free shipping. You never know. And then you'll get 20% off anything that you keep when you use my referral link. And then I'll also get 20% off. And if you keep 4 more items, you get an additional 10%. Yeah, 10%. Yay. Okay. All right. We are off to a really good start. So let's see what's next. Next outfit, we have this graphic tee. One more episode. How many times do you start watching something on Netflix or a series and you're like, oh, one more. Let's just go ahead and stay up for one more. This girl and Mike. And we have a cardigan. Look at that. With the big buttons. Let's get started on the try on. Okay, I left the jeans on. I'm gonna show you let me back up and show it all to you. With the jeans, the cardigan is longer. Okay. Obviously, size medium is not for this girl. I don't know if I changed the sizes on my preview or my style profile, but I'm gonna have to go back and check because both of these items are too big. This is the Cozy Cardi, and it is big. It is so soft. The color is black, and it's got the ribbing on it with the solid cuff there, which I appreciate. Is it a drop? No, it's a dolman. No, it's a drop sleeve. So, I mean, it's cute. It has the big buttons. It's got the, what do you call it? Oh, around the bottom. The hem is the wider stitching like this. What do you call that? What do you call that on the bottom with the hem? All right, so obviously this is too big for me. The price on this is regular $99. My 20% discount gives it to me for, okay, it doesn't give it to me, I have to pay for it, is $79.20. So, yeah, I don't know. It's so hard to get excited about something when it doesn't fit right. All right, I'm gonna have to check my sizes. So here it is, unbuttoned. It looks better unbuttoned. It's really soft, very, very soft. There's the buttons. All right, so no pockets or anything. It's kind of cute. I like it unbuttoned better, but I would like it, I probably need it in a size small. All right, here's the shirt. The shirt is One More Episode by Suburban Riot. See, it's just too big. Size medium, price $38. My price $30.40, which is really a good price. I mean, it doesn't look too big, but yeah, it's just too big here. Really nice, soft. It's a gray with the black lettering. Let me pull it out. It's a nice length. Somebody's car horn is going off out there. All right. I mean, it's nice. One More Episode. I don't, it's not for me. I mean, it's a nice t-shirt, but this is definitely not for me. So what's next? Let's see. This looks nice. The Tank by EVEREVE. So we'll give it a try. Okay, last item. This is the Tank by EVEREVE. It's really nice. It's soft. It's a size medium. I do need a smaller size, unfortunately, but it's really, really soft. And it's rayon and, I think it said rayon and spandex. Yes, rayon and spandex. Really soft. Love the print of it, like the V-neck. I like the extra little stripe or whatever down the back. It's really nice, but it's too big here. I don't even know if a small would fit me. I really like this. I like this a lot. The price is $48. My price, $38.40. So too bad it doesn't fit. Nothing fits right, except these jeans. So between the items that I have, the t-shirt, no, I won't reach for it. I won't wear it, but I like the feel of it. I like this brand. I think it's a good price, but no. This shirt, the blouse, I like it, but if it fit better, I would consider it. It's just too expensive for not loving it. So I'm gonna return that. The sweater had an opportunity. Oh, here, she told me to put this on with it. But it's just too big and it's hard to tell how much you like something when it doesn't fit right. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Well, this is longer. I mean, I could do a front tuck, maybe, but it's just too big. That's a shame. I'm not gonna do any exchanges. No, I don't love anything enough to do an exchange except, okay, let's talk about these jeans. They are so expensive, and I know 7 for Mankind is. I get 20% off, which, I'll Google it and see if I can find them less expensive somewhere else, but should I keep them? They're comfortable. They're very comfortable. I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch the video back and hear what you guys say. So that's it. That's my Trendsend. Again, it is one of my favorite lifestyle. It's one of my favorite style boxes. So if you guys want to give it a try, it's only $1. I'll leave my referral link below. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.